Updating your legal business name on Litmos is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Litmos account by entering your username and password. Make sure you have administrative privileges to make changes to the business name. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select business information. In the account settings, find and click on business information. Here, you will see your current legal business name and other related details. Step 4. Update your legal business name. Edit the field containing your legal business name. Enter the new name accurately, ensuring there are no typos or errors. Step 5. Save changes. After updating the name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your business name has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your legal business name on Litmos. Keeping your information up to date is essential for compliance and communication purposes.